This is the Huaquan 30 kilowatts Cummins diesel generator set, which delivers stable and reliable performance to provide continuous power for small and medium-sized applications. Featuring a high-strength base and industrial-grade coating, it offers corrosion and vibration resistance, making it suitable for complex outdoor and industrial environments while maintaining stable performance even during prolonged operation. Combining performance, reliability, and cost-effectiveness, this generator set is a high-value choice for power supply in small and medium-sized applications. Please feel free to contact us at any time if you have any questions.